Hi guys, Happy New Year to you. If you haven't heard any wishes from me, I'm sorry. Today is Chupa. I also hope everybody far. So this weekend, we have 3 new launches. Basically, one in the west, 2 in the east. So the one in the west is basically Elta, and that's in Clementi. The other 2 will be in Tampines. One is our favorite Parktown. The other one is also our favorite EC, Aurelle. So if you don't have any information to all this, but you are interested, I think you need to do more research lah. You need to reach out to people who have all this information lah. Okay, so I just want to show you the information that I have. And of course, if you need to study, if you want to stare at it, you can always ask for it. I will send it over, don't worry. Okay, so let me just show you quickly what I have. Okay, my kanchong, one at a time. Okay, first one, Aurelle. To take note, all this price list is not official from the developers. It is from ERA. The reason why is because then you can pre-plan ahead of time, so that once you know the price that is released from the developer, you know which one to get. Okay, so price list over here, 3 bedroom all the way to 5 bedroom. And if we were to start at 1580, this will be the price for 3 bedroom, and this will be the price for 5 bedroom. Okay, so if we were to end at 1718, right, this is the price for 3 bedroom. And they don't think that it's gonna reach this price for 5 bed lah, so you take this for 5 bed lor. Okay, so this is more of you know the end price. The other way to work around is you go and calculate how much money you have, how much CPF you have, then you work backwards. So for example, if your budget is at 1.78, for example so 1.78, straight away when you look at this, see all this means okay what, can get what, then all the way until here also can get what, and then maybe okay this one cannot lah, then you know from here still can get lah, right? And that's 3 bed to 4 bed lor. Same for the rest of the developments. Okay, next one, this one is for Parktown, right? So okay, I'm sorry, this one the resolution not very good, but I try my best. So 1 bed plus study all the way to 5 bedroom. If we were to start at 2250, okay, I know there will be people saying that it may start at 2000, but you plan ahead lah. If you can get at 2000, then good for you lah. If don't have, if cannot, then at least you plan further one, right? So 2250, 1 bedroom, right, it is at about 1.1, and then 5 bedroom, it will go all the way to 3.7, 3.8 lah, if you round it off. Okay, and then if we were to go all the way to 2006, right, 1 bedroom you will get this 1.3, 1.32. 5 bedroom you will expect about 4.3, 4.4. okay, so this is a range from 2250 to 2600. Alright, so same thing, you work backwards, right? If you need this, of course reach out lah, then you can study ma. Okay, last one, this is for Elta. Okay, same thing, 1 bed to 5 bed, right? It is anticipated that it can start from 2.1 okay, for the 5 bed, and then for the 1 bed you may start at 2.4, 2.5, right? And then if we were to go all the way to 2.8, right, then you will get 1.4 for your 1 bedroom. And then this one, hang on, cannot see, yeah, but anyway it's gonna be at 4.9 something lor. Okay, right, so I said already and I say it again, right? Knowing this price list, then you also need to also pre-plan which stack you like, which facing you like, which level you like. All this you need to start to look at the site plan. You need to look at the elevation chart. You need to look at all these things, so then you can start to plan out. The reason why you are there for the showroom is you can see exactly what you're gonna get, what size, how does it feel when you walk into your room or your house in the future. It's not just about the numbers, it's also about when you're staying there, how happy you are, right? You got to have some kind of indication, something quantitative for you to measure lah. Whether your wife is smiling when they're looking at the bedroom or the toilet or the kitchen, or your kid is happy running around in the show flat. Yeah lah, all this no numbers lah, but at least you can see a smile from their face. I think good enough lah. So plan ahead, work out the numbers, work out with your wife, work out with your kid. All these are important when you are getting a new place. Alright, so yeah, if you need all this information, reach out. You know how to reach out to me, DM, you call me, you mail, WhatsApp me, everything okay, right? I will send you whatever I have, whatever I can. Okay, so this weekend, don't go anywhere 拜年 already. Get ready, go and go show flat to visit already. Okay, price. Somebody asked me, I don't think it's gonna come down. If you are waiting for the price to come down, you're almost waiting for World War III, or you're waiting for global economy crash. That kind of things, when it happens, I think you also don't want to buy property, because you may be looking at stocks and thinking whether you want to buy stocks, right? So if everything being stable, everything being predictable as of now, and if the budget works nice for you before you get priced out, I think this is a good time to look into. So 2025, these are the first few launches, right, in Q1 that is highly anticipated, especially the two in Tampines. I have quite a number of inquiries already. So yeah, do stick around, watch out for these videos. I'll definitely be posting more whenever I can. Okay, see you around. Thank you. Bye bye.